Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you a very simple recipe for an overnight oil that helps to clear acne scars and helps to minimize acne development on your skin. So yeah, let's get right into it. So the ingredients you're going to need is lemon essential oil. Lemon essential oil is amazing for brightening the skin. So is almond oil. Almond oil helps to lighten the skin and it helps to repair damaged skin as well. The other oil I'm using is jojoba oil, which resembles the natural oil that your skin produces, so it's amazing, doesn't leave your skin greasy at all. Vitamin E, which helps to repair the skin and reduce redness, and Evening Primrose Oil, which stops the skin from drying out. A lot of people that take acne medication and stuff like that tend to have really dry skin, so Evening Primrose Oil is an amazing oil to use. So basically all I'm going to do is combine all these oils. The exact measurements will be in the description box below. As you can see, I'm adding in my almond oil first, and then the next oil I added was my jojoba, followed by my Evening Primrose Oil. This container is an old container that contained lemon essential oil previously, so it obviously still has bits of lemon essential oil in there because I didn't wash it out, and I'm just adding my oils in there. So the actual measurements for the amount of lemon oil you would need will be in the description box below. Basically, apply this oil to your face at night before you go to bed. It's helpful to put it on your skin whilst your skin is still damp. And yeah, if you are consistent with applying this oil every night on clean, damp skin, you should be able to start noticing a difference in your skin within about a month if you follow this consistently. Let me know what oils have worked for you, especially if you have acne prone skin. And yeah, if you have any questions or anything like that, make sure you leave it in the comment section below and I will be happy to respond to you. So before use, make sure you shake well just to make sure all the oils are properly combined, and you just need like about a drop of oil, just about the same amount that I put on my hand, and then just rub it in. This oil is not greasy at all. It absorbs into the skin very quickly. As I said, jojoba oil resembles the skin's natural oil, so it doesn't really stay on your skin. It really absorbs quickly into your skin. So does primrose oil, and so does almond oil. So here I'm just showing you. I'm going to apply it to my skin, and then you can see. And as you can see, I have pretty good skin, so you know you can take my word and give this a go. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on your notification bell. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram at LusciousSkin&Hair. I do giveaways on there every now and again, and I'm very consistent in uploading different content and giving you updates on there as well. You can further support me by subscribing to my mailing list on my website at www.LusciousSkin&Hair.com, just down the bottom of the page, or you can shop on my website as well. I have a lot of the things that I make on there for sale. Thank you guys once again for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.